Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to delete or close your chess.com account. Now, if you've gone tired of playing chess.com, or maybe you just want to do the real thing in person, it's very simple. Of course, you need to be signed in your chess.com account. And once you are logged in, I want you to look to the lower left-hand corner and click on the cogwheel or settings icon here and click on this. This pop-up will appear. Click on the first option that says all settings, like so. Once you are in your settings page, you want to click on profile, right? 3, 2, 1, you want to click on account. So click on account. Once you are in the account screen or page, you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see close your account. It says here, do you want to close your chess.com account? We are sorry to see you go. Please consider contacting member support to let us know how we can improve your chess experience. So all you need to do is click on this. There you go. And enter your password over here and then click verify. Of course, you need to verify you're human. And then once you're done, you just need to click on close account and your account will be deleted for good. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.